What is vibe coding? Vibe coding is a term coined by ex-OpenAI developer Andre Karpathy. It describes a new workflow where humans focus on ideas, architecture, and feedback, all while AI handles the literal code typing. Instead of memorizing syntax or writing every line manually, you steer the AI, guide it, correct it, and shape the project using intuition and clear instructions. It's less like typing and more like conducting. Why now? To understand why vibe coding works, consider the pace of AI progress. Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei said in 12 months, nearly all code may be generated by AI. And that's already starting to show. There's a kid in San Francisco who won multiple hackathons despite having zero traditional coding experience. He simply vibe coded, asking AI to generate ideas and code for him. Coding versus programming. A big part of this shift is understanding the difference between coding and programming. Coding is writing syntax correctly, telling the computer how to do something. In the past, an elite coder could type perfect C code at 100 words per minute purely from memory. But today, large language models can generate correct syntax faster than a printer. Programming, however, is a much broader skill. It's part art, part science, creativity, problem solving, product design, debugging, and judgment. The best programmers spend more time removing code to improve performance rather than writing it themselves. You can ask an AI to spin up a full SaaS app, but protecting it from trolls, hackers, and abuse, you only learn that through experience. People can max out your API keys, bypass your subscription paywall, or spam your database with garbage data. So coding is being automated, but programming is not. So, can vibe coding work? Yes, but when done properly. Here's how. Step 1. Use an AI native IDE. Start with an IDE built around AI such as Cursor or Windsurf. These tools are designed for back and forth iteration and fast changes. Step 2. Choose a simple, popular tech stack. Use technologies the AI has seen millions of times. These are things like React, Tailwind, Firebase, and Next.js. All IDEs excel at solving problems that many developers have solved before. Step 3. Use GitHub version control constantly. Commit early and often, or automate your commits. AI can occasionally overwrite or delete working code, and when that happens, it can be nearly impossible to prompt it back into existence. Version control is your parachute. Step 4. Think like a product manager. Instead of asking, what can AI do for me? Ask, what can I do to help the AI understand my goals? Break tasks into smaller pieces, give proper context, explain requirements clearly, and overall treat the AI like a very fast but very literal intern. Step 5. Don't let the AI get creative. AI creativity is fun until you need something to work exactly as intended. You need to provide specific documentation, UI sketches or example images, detailed acceptance criteria, or clear constraints. The more deterministic your prompts, the less chaos you'll deal with. Congratulations, you can now produce a mountain of failed side projects just like the rest of us. But among them, one might just hit. A future built on vibes. It's only a matter of time before we see a billion-dollar business built entirely through vibe coding. And remember, some of the most efficient companies already do surprisingly much with surprisingly few people. Valve has one of the highest revenue per employee ratios in the industry. OnlyFans reportedly runs with 40-ish full-time employees while generating enormous value. Small and high-leverage teams or even individuals will have more power than ever.